Okay. But this is how you load it. It's gonna be really hot.
Oh, they're in there.
Oh, did you just do it?
This is totally done. So you fill this up with filtered water from the fridge all the way up here.
Okay.
Put this in. This is filtered into this mop kit.
Nice.
Who cares?
Okay. Yeah.
But then you load it in. Bottle is angled down like that, so the little spray thing goes in there, and then you fit this in, and then the nipple goes there. And then when you put it back together, and it can fit 4 bottles, and then you put like pacifiers and things in here.
Okay.
Oh.
Okay.
And when you put it in here, the tabs are here. You just grab one and you throw it in. You
Oh,
don't
just
put it
in
any
the,
spot. You
just,
put
okay.
anything. And then whenever you want to start it, you hit power and then you hit play. And that's it. That's it. That's the only buttons you got to do.
Okay.
And it'll start by itself.
Keep going.
When you put the bottles together, something we discovered that we were like, what? Because of Instagram, we didn't see this, but there's a little, you see this indention right there? And then this has a hole, and you have to line that up. We didn't know.
okay.
So it helps so that when the baby is sucking like this, that it doesn't like pinch and like invert itself or anything like
Okay.
that. And it also helps them so that when they're sucking, that they don't breathe in a bunch of air and create a bunch of burps. So, and this is called a slow flow needle, and then that's it.
Cute. Cute.